Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, where are you now?
Sir, I am in IIT Bombay campus actually.
IIT Bombay campus?
Yes, sir.
You are doing some program there?
No, sir. This year I have enrolled in MTech in Petroleum Geoscience.
Petroleum Geoscience. So, you introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my name is Suchismita Behra. I belong to Keonjhar district of Odisha, where I did my preliminary educations. Then after I completed my graduation from Dharandhar Autonomous College, Keonjhar in 2023. Then after I have joined in MSc Applied Geology in IIT Bombay, and in this year itself, 2025, I have completed my masters.
Okay. So this year you did your MSc, isn't it?
Yes, sir. This year I have completed.
And then you joined MTech.
Yes, sir.
Joined MTech. So MSc Dissertation did you do?
Yes, sir.
With whom you worked?
Sir, under Professor Santanu Banerjee.
Okay. So what type of work you did there?
Sir, my dissertation was on heavy mineral analysis on sandstones of Mahanadi basins near Eve River Valley region.
Eve River.
Yes.
So what was your finding?
Sir, my finding was that like the sediments, whatever they are in the sandstone, those are earlier derived from the Eastern Ghat region. Like my main motto, my objective was to determine the provenance of the sediments.
Why do you say it is from Eastern Ghats?
So from the analysis, I found that like most of my sediments, those are originally belong to a felsic rock. And from the field data, that time the paleocurrent direction, it was in northwest directions. So like integrating my sample chemical analysis and the field data, I concluded that like the sediments probably derived from the Eastern Ghat region.
No, these are the recent sediments or the old sediments?
Sir, the samples I have measured, like I took for the analysis, those are only of permocarboniferous.
That means Gondwana sediments.
Yes, sir.
Gondwana sediments you analyze, not
Yes.
the recent sediments.
No, sir.
So what are the heavy minerals you got there?
Sir, my sample mostly contain rutile and tourmaline.
Rutile and tourmaline, why you say it is Eastern Ghats?
So, sir, like there is a like Professor Banerjee said, there is a chances that they may be derived from the Antarctica, but like the data or the like chemical composition, they don't have actually. Like they have not correlated with that. So he suggested me like just put your answer that they mostly derived from the Eastern Ghat. Don't put any reference of.
Now, why not from the Craton? Jharsuguda, you are very close to Jharsuguda, isn't it?
Yes, sir. My sample was from Jharsuguda.
So this Pallahada gneiss, Archean Cratons are there. Buster Craton is there. There is a lot of pegmatites are there. They have tourmaline and rutile.
Sir, I mostly did geochemical analysis like XRF and ICP-MS. And so there I have studied some trace element analysis. And those trace element analysis content like similar to whatever sediments we are getting from the Eastern Ghat region. So like by comparing that, I concluded that they may be derived from the Eastern Ghat.
Okay.
Like I am not sure.
So you mean to say the slope was towards west? The
Yes.
river was flowing towards west.
Yes, sir.
Did you see any evidence that the flow direction was towards west?
Yes, sir. It was there in the field data, like the cross bedding or the sedimentary structures. They are showing the direction northwest direction.
North. So if something is flowing towards northwest, there must be some ocean there.
Yes, sir. Definitely yes.
Which ocean was existing?
So that time, it may be the Tethys Ocean.
Tethys ocean, where was it? That is northern fringe of India. But here Mahanadi Valley goes up to what point?
Sir, it goes up to like Son Narmada.
It goes up to Son Narmada.
Yes, sir.
So Son Narmada was a very big landlocked basin. Very big landlocked basins. And these are the rivers which are flowing into it. So Son Narmada. And Son Narmada was ultimately flowing towards Gujarat. So near Gujarat, Tethys Ocean was carved and joining there. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Barmer area. There are some Paleozoic rocks, you know.
Yes, sir.
Barmer area. So those Paleozoic rocks are part of Tethys Ocean. So this Narmada river was probably flowing into those Tethys, in the west coast of India. There was no immediate Tethys close to Mahanadi rivers. It was flowing into Narmada. All these Godavari, Krishna, they are all flowing into Narmada. Narmada was a very big landlocked. Okay. So this is one part. So you have qualified for GSI as well as for groundwater?
No, sir. I have only qualified for the CGWP.
For groundwater.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You didn't opt for GSI?
Sir, actually, I have not given the paper 3 exam.
Paper 3 you didn't give. Okay. Okay. That is okay. No problem. But I will ask some questions from groundwater then.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes.
So, how the groundwater exploration is carried out?
Okay.
Groundwater exploration, you understand? Na?
Yes, sir.
Where is the groundwater?
Yes, sir.
What depth groundwater is there? How is it done?
Okay. Sir, for the exploration, there are several steps like we should follow. First, we need to have the preliminary study, like whatever the pre-existing data are there, we need to study that. The pre-existing data like the topographic map or the satellite imagery, vegetation pattern, geologic map, we need to analyze that. Then after we go for the reconnaissance survey, there we need to do some field work like structural feature, vegetation pattern. We need to observe in the field region. Then after we should proceed for the hydrogeological perspective, like we need to identify the aquifer conditions where it is there. Then after we do some.
See, I'll tell you. No, it's not like that. First, you have to study the remote sensing. Because for exploration of the groundwater, you require the lineament studies.
Yes, sir.
That is the important part. For other geological studies, you may do lineament studies or not. But most of the hydrological or the aquifers, they are concentrated in the fractured zone. So those fractures will be taken up, or those fractures will be clear from the lineament studies. So a remote sensing study is very important. The lineament density, the lineament pattern, lineament length, all these things are necessary first. If you can find out in the area, where lineament density is more, so you can directly go there and do the rest of the things. That is the place where you will get the good potentiality for the aquifers. First thing. After doing that, what are the other methods you will do, like geophysical methods?
Sir, geophysical method like we mostly do electrical resistivity survey for groundwater exploration.
Electrical resistivity, why you do? What is the purpose?
So like groundwater, like the fresh water mainly have high resistance. So whenever we do
Groundwater has a high resistance.
Yes, sir, high resistance to conductivity, to flow current within it.
Okay.
So like whenever we do some electrical resistivity survey, it shows the signature of there may be the zone potentially contains some water.
Not like that. See, suppose there is no groundwater. Hello. There is no groundwater. It is a hard rock terrain only there. A hard rock terrain. If hard rock terrain is there, then that will be resistant. It will not conductive. But if water is there, water has certain amount of electrolytes, whether saline or some amount of salt will be there. That will allow the electricity to flow. They are less resistive, they are more conductive. So more conducting zones are the site for groundwater. If groundwater is not there, it will be more resistive. Understood my point? Huh? So what is the purpose? See, pure water is not conducting. Pure water is not conducting. But groundwater has some amount of salt in it. Those salt, helps it allowing the electricity to flow. Remember, huh? So there are different methods how to conduct activity survey. That you may little read, yeah. Okay. So did you do field work during MSc time?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, it was near Bhuj, Gujarat.
Bhuj. You didn't see a metamorphic there.
No, sir. We did not visited that Ambaji region.
No, that is not your fault. Not very. Okay, fine. No problem. But there are different cratons and mobile belts in India.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between a craton and a mobile belt?
Sir, Craton is a stable part, a continental cell region, but the mobile belt define intense deformation is there, kind of orogenic activity is going on. This is the main difference between Craton and mobile belt.
Can you give an example?
Sir, Craton, in the example of Craton, there are 5 Cratons mostly in India. There were Singhbhum, Bastar, Bundelkhand. Then in Aravalli region, we have the Marar Craton. And mobile belt, example like Eastern Ghat mobile belt, then Aravalli and CITJ.
CIT-JAM.
Yes, sir.
CIT-JAM. Pandian mobile belt.
Yes, sir. Pandian mobile belt is mentioned.
So, little bit remember all those things. So, suppose some question comes, how will define or distinguish between these two units along with the stability or whatever you said, highly tectonized zones. Tell something about metamorphism. Tell something about mineralization.
Yes.
Tell about their age. Cratons are Archean age, mobile belts are Proterozoic age.
Yes, sir.
Cratons have BIF or gold, nickel chromite. Mobile belts are having sulfide deposits.
Yes, sir.
So like that you should tell. Just by living there, okay. Now suppose from IIT Bombay, I will ask you, you go to Delhi for interview.
Okay.
What are the formations you will get on the way?
Sir, first of all, I encountered the first Deccan Track region. Then after I moved to if I go by traveling through MP region, then I will get the Vindhyan, and then after I get to find the Bundelkhand. Then in AP region, I will find to see the alluvium quaternary deposit. Then in Delhi region, you have the Aravalli Dil fold belt.
Okay. So you have several units.
Yes, sir.
While going from Bombay to Delhi, you will get several units.
Yes, sir.
You have Cratons, mobile belts.
Yes.
What does the Deccan Trough represent?
Sir, in terms of lithology?
No, I'm talking about tectonics. What does it represent? Deccan Trough is a trap rock, basalt rock, that is okay. What does it represent? Tectonically.
Sir, tectonically it is a trap, igneous trap.
That is lithological.
Sir, Deccan syncline. Sorry, sir, I don't know.
No, Deccan is not a syncline. So, just if suppose somebody asks about Deccan, we say that while India was traveling towards north during Gondwana breakup,
Yes, sir.
so while it was traveling, it met or came across the which hotspot?
Reunion hotspot.
Reunion hotspot.
Yes,
So
sir.
reunion hotspot gave rise to this intraplate volcanism.
Yes, sir.
Intraplate volcanism.
Yes.
Understand the intraplate volcanism? Within the plate, this volcanism took place. So there was rifting, extension, the magmatic emplacements, then this lava flows. That is your Deccan. So this consists of flow basalt, horizontal flow, tholedic basalts. Now, what is the age of Deccan Trough?
Sir, it is late Cretaceous.
Million year.
65 million years.
65 million years. Cretaceous, okay, upper Cretaceous you can say. There are such flows also in India. There are other flows in India.
Yes.
Can you just name one more?
Sir, Rasmol trap is there. Silat trap
There
is
is.
also there.
Silat Trap. Okay. What is the age of Deccan Rasmol Trap?
So it is of Jurassic age.
Again. What is the age?
Okay.
What
sir,
is your age? If I ask you, will you tell that it is Permian? Some age.
Sir, in between like 200 to 145 million years. I don't know the exact.
115 million. Exactly. 65 as you told, 115 million. So which hotspot it was related?
So it was related to Kerguelen hotspot present.
Kerguelen hotspot. Similarly, India plate was moving towards north. So at 115 million year, this hotspot, it is also intraplate volcanism. Intraplate volcanism. Now, do you have the reunion hotspots signatures further south of India?
Yes, sir. It was found like near the Konkan region. Like Kerala Konkan region, there is a signature recently found.
South of India.
South.
Not in southern India.
Okay. Sorry, sir. I don't know.
Similarly, may I ask, Kerguelen hotspot, does it have an impression in the south of India? So Deccan Trough has Lakshadweep, Seychelles,
Yes.
Chagos, there is one. Similarly, the Rajmahal Trough, the Elan Bank, and near Antarctica. Those are 85 east ridges. They are the signature of this trough eruptions. So these things you read. Okay. So we'll stop it here because I have to go somewhere, Okay, what is your name? You told Suchi Smita.
Yes.
Very good. You told I am from IIT Bombay. I felt very homely, because I left IIT Bombay 2-3 years back.
Yes, sir.
So maybe the tectonic class should be taught in a much better way. So, but you have a good potentiality in geology. So try to answer as far as the questions.
Okay.
But what I should suggest, since you are very fresh,
Yes, sir.
you have no practical experience compared to other candidates. They have some are 2 years old, some are 3 years. So they have done other type of works also. You have no experience, fresh.
Yes, sir.
So you be in touch with some of the subjects, like particularly the geology of India, the tectonics of India, and some structural aspects. Structural aspects I could not cover, like what is the difference between a shear zone and a fault. How a class 1 a parallel fold and a similar fold differ. How a double plunging syncline and double plunging anticline they look on the map. These type of questions they ask. Because you have just passed out, this type of critical questions you have not undergone. So better you just see some of these. Okay? And be little jolly face. Jolly face you understand, and not very much it's not like that. Little jolly face you try. Not very serious. And you will be answer all the questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Go
you.
ahead. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Sir, should I leave?
Yeah, you can quit.